I did it again. I violated one of my own rules. I made a blunder, and it cost me. One of my tips is when you're speaking abroad, you've got to check all your voltage, the electricity. You need the right adapters, but even if you have adapters, you need to make sure the voltage is correct. This has happened to me in the Middle East, and it recently happened to me in Eastern Europe. My camera worked fine for the media training and public speaking training, but the voltage was different for the light on my camera, and it destroyed the light. So I had to quickly scramble around and find some local lights. It didn't have to be if I'd done my homework. So my challenge to you, when you are speaking in different countries, really do your homework on the technology side. It's not enough to simply have an adapter. You have to make sure that everything else works, the voltage is correct, and I don't even know all the technical details. I just know you've got to get it right. It only takes one weak link and poof, your machines are not going to work. No one's going to be embarrassed. No one's going to pay for it more than you. I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak more effectively. If you'd like to improve your own speaking skills, go to my website, mediatrainingworldwide.com, and you can get some of my books at no charge. Also learn about our online and live in-person workshops.